Leonardo da Vinci once claimed that the mirror is your teacher. The reason is it gives you a fresh eye. Of the two principal ways to check your work using a mirror, this first one is the best. In this clip, I'm back in my viewing position, holding the hand mirror, and I've turned around 180 degrees in such a way that when I look through the mirror, I can see the reflection of the cast and the drawing at the same time. This shot shows you the way in which I'm holding the mirror, even though it's from a different cast project. The difficulty in using the mirror this way is maintaining your vantage point. After you've rotated around and are looking at the setup in your mirror, you may need to adjust your position left or right just a little bit in order to maintain the proper vantage point, albeit in reverse. The proper way to judge this is by looking at the static plumb line and where it visually crosses the cast. It needs to visually fall in the same places as it does when you're normally looking at the setup. Once you're properly aligned and looking in the mirror, you can go about the process of flicking your eye between the cast and your drawing, looking for errors.